Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I just want to say, hey, thanks to all my recently new subscribers. And if you're new here, it's totally free. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. Also, hey, if you'd like to support the channel, PayPal and Cash App will be in the description. Or hey, just get the channel membership, $3 a month. I show you guys my portfolio, and I try to find. I do searches for new low cap gems, and a lot of times I like to get this to my channel members first. But anyways, let's get right on to it. So Bitcoin is at 66,000. I think my last video I did yesterday was at around, I think 65 or 64. Kind of don't remember, but well, now we're at 66 now. Ethereum is at 3,200. We're past the Bitcoin halving. We're finally here. The crypto bull run is here. So we got to make sure you are in the right place, especially the low cap utility tokens. Those are going to be the ones that are going to make the life changing money, here for this 2024-25 bull run. There's your top by market cap. There's Solana, all your tops. There's Shiba Inu, Chainlink, Internet Computer. There's your top 30 by market cap at a glance right there. Um, but anyways, yeah, there's Filecoin doing pretty good, 655. Filecoin. Okay, Filecoin is a top, exactly at a top 30. All right, so there's your top 30. Screw it, I'll go over the top 40. There's Imputable X. Alrighty, Stellar. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, Stellar's a top 11 crypto. Excuse me, top 35 crypto. Okay, there's VeChain. Okay, VeChain is at the top 40. Dogwood Hat is a top 41. Okay, but anyways, guys, thanks everybody for tuning in. To the channel. I wanted to do an update on XCN coin, Onyx coin. I think the last time I did an update on this coin was several weeks ago. But anyways, I want to do another video on it. I want to start covering this coin more as well, just like I do, with Swift coin and Jasmine or Spell. But anyways, here's an update. A lot of my subscribers is also holding this one right now. It's at a price of 20225, or 22% of a penny. It's actually doing pretty good. It's up 12%. Um, Market cap is at a okay, let me go here. Does that say 14 million market cap? Let me go back. Why the crypto bubble say it's at a, oh no, I was looking at the volume. Okay. I was looking at something else. Okay. So the market cap is at 62.6 million. Wow. So like I said, this is another low cap gem that some of my subscribers are holding. And this is going to be one of those other plays this could possibly 50x or more in the bull run. Um, Onyx coin. Okay. Right now, the volume is up 270%. The tokenomics, I think I talked about it in the past. We have 48. The circulated supply is 27 billion. That's 57% of the supply. The total supply is 48 billion, and the max supply is 48 billion. So it doesn't look like they're going to add more tokens. So the tokenomics for this thing actually looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. 48 billion in the total max, and 57 of the supply is in circulation. So yeah, this is another good low cap gem that I got in my radar. Honestly, these are the coins that I like to invest in, right before they explode, the ones that are still under a penny, because these have potential to like 50 to 100x, especially with those low market caps, 62 million market cap. So this is technically still a micro cap at a 62 million micro cap. This is considered more of one of those lower micros. So this is definitely gonna, and with those tokenomics, this could definitely, like I said, 50 to 100x. Um, so yeah, Onyx coin. This is and the project. Like I said, I need to start covering this coin more. Um, so it's a okay. I read about it before, but for some reason, I kind of forgot whether. I think this is a DeFi. Onyx Protocol is a decentralized platform to facilitates peer-to-peer money market lending protocol, DeFi. Those are the key words to know what type of project it is. When they say money market lending, whenever you hear that word lending or whatever, you know that's a DeFi. Okay. So yeah, another low cap DeFi, just like Spell. Uh, these are gonna between Onyx, Spell. These are good low cap DeFis to get in for the bull run. I'm already predicting by this summer the parabolic run is gonna start, possibly by like late May, going into June, all the way until like August, September. Between late May to like September is when we're really going to see a real parabolic run in this market. And like I said, going towards the end of the year for 2024, going into 2025 is going to be icing on the cake. But I highly believe that most of the life changing gains are going to be made between like I said, between like the months of like May and like September. Telling you guys, there's going to be a lot of big gains made in the crypto market. The fact that by then we'll be a few months after the halving. Now that we're post halving, we just got to make sure you get in the right place, stack up your bags, because we're not going to see these prices forever. We keep, us crypto YouTubers, we keep repeating ourselves over and over again, but we stress, make sure you're in the right place and stay locked and loaded, because I'm definitely staying locked and loaded. Um, so yeah, Onyx Coin, yeah, this is gonna be another one of those bangers. So this is reading more about it. Supports a variety of digital assets such as Ether, ERC20 tokens, ERC721 tokens, and ERC1155 tokens, which can be supplied or borrowed through an aggregated and unified balance, supported by non-custodial custody via decentralized smart contracts. Furthermore, NFTs can be supplied as a collateral to enhance the borrowing capacity of the corresponding account. Onyx protocol underlying mechanism is powered by Onyx Coin XCN, a decentralized digital asset on the Ethereum blockchain that serves as both the protocol's governance and utility token. Credit lines, assets, and borrowed through the Onyx protocol do not have monthly payments or expiration dates, and they remain perpetual as long as the collateral is deemed. Okay, so yeah, and some people were saying that J.P. Morgan Chase is using this coin or something like that, but then I heard a while back somebody else said that they're just using something that has the same name or something that's not the same token or coin or something like that. But I don't know whether if Chase, J.P. Morgan, whatever bank is really using this coin. Some people say they're using a coin, and some people say they're actually not using a coin. They was just using a coin that allegedly had the same name, but I don't know. I don't know if what to believe, but I do know that this is definitely going to make life changing gains in this upcoming bull run. The Onyx coin, um, like I said, these low cap DeFi's are going to be one of the first ones to start going parabolic. But anyways, let's take a look at the community comments here. Um, XCN, I'm bullish. So much upside. So it looks like most of the people's bullish. It says it's time to get this to 0.005. Let's go. Our 0.0050. Okay. Onyx. Okay, I'm bullish on XCN. Okay, this person is bearish. Close this out. Why is this coming up? Okay, so let me see here. Okay, it's always going to be a bearish person. Of course, we went through a flash crash the week ago. Okay, said I'm still bullish on XCN. EMEA is below the XCN price. It says, as I stated in previous posts below, has bounced off the support level at thir- at 0.13, which I initially didn't think would hold due to the negative BTC momentum as a result of positive BTC price action along the 2-day time frame. XCN positive price momentum will now look to retest TP1 0.17, TP2 0.19 price targets respectively. Bottom line, okay, you know what? I forgot to check. What was the all-time price for Onyx? What was the all-time price? Okay, so you look at the all-time chart for Onyx, it's still down 95%. Looking at that all-time chart, so it looked like it had an all-time high back in 2022 of 17 cents. Yep, that's what it showed there, 17 cents back in 22, but before it came all the way down during the bear market. Okay, so the fact that it had an all-time high of 17 cents, I believe that this time around it's either going to get there or go a little bit higher. Now, as far as price predictions for this coin, for me at this point it'll be hard. I could try to give it between 10 to 20 cents at the high, 10 to 20 cents, and at the low maybe like I'll say 1 to 5 cents at the low, but five yeah, I'll say about 1 to 7 cents at the low and 10 to 20 cents at the high this coming up bull run. But we can see that it had an all-time high of 17 cents back in um, May of 2022. So yeah, that was a couple of years ago. So yeah, that was actually in the middle, right in the middle of our bear market, and then it just dropped, fell off of a cliff after that, and then it went all the way down to like eight. It looked like it came all the way down to 10% of a penny. Oh no, it went all the way down to like seven. Okay, it looked like its all-time low was about 10% of a penny. Yep, 10.001021 or point zero zero or yeah 0.001016. So yeah, July 31st of 2023 was all the way at 10% of a penny. So people who bought in way down there, that was the height of our we were still deep in our bear market at that time. So no, July of 20 no, crypto started pumping in July of 2023. Okay, no, crypto started pumping during that time. Okay, a lot of crypto start pumping. Alrighty. So yeah, people who was buying in there way back when it was like in a point like between like 7-10% of a penny, and they're still in. You guys are actually up. You guys has already doubled your money. The people who was in during that time. Wow. So yeah, X again. This is definitely a 50 to 100x gem. But yeah, see, I always like to go back and do historical data on these coins. I always like to go back and do historical data to see what it did in the past. So yeah, back in 2023, when this thing was in like 10, 15% of a penny, you guys got in then because it pumped up. Let me take a look at the 1 year chart. It still looks kind of choppy. It's down 24%, but I think this coin did go up to like 30%, 34% of a penny a few months ago, about a month ago before the flash crashes, and then it came back down. So people probably sold here to wait for it to come back down, but people who got in last summer of 2023. You guys are doubled your more than doubled your money. But yeah, but the next leg up, this is definitely going to be going parabolic. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I need to pick. I'm thinking about just picking up a small bag of this because we all know my biggest bag is Swift. I'm very bullish on Swift, but some just keep telling me to add this to my portfolio because you look at the all-time chart, it's still down, not 95%, and it's still down for the 1 year. Look at the 1 month, it's still down 19% for the 1 month. So yeah, but the 7 day is up 24% for the 7 day is up. So yeah, going forward, this is definitely getting ready to explode. But yeah, guys. Hope I wasn't too long on this video, but yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in. That is my take on XCN coin. This is definitely going to be this is definitely one of my top bangers for the bull run. Between this one, Spell, and Swift, these, I ain't gonna lie, these are my three top low caps right now going into bull run, man. If you don't have Swift or Onyx coin or Spell in your portfolio, you better get it in there because these are the ones. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, bro. I'll be the one to say it. I believe these are even better opportunities than Jasmine. You know, Jasmine it made his run from 50% of a penny all the way up to like 2 cents. Then after that, it stalled out, but it followed Bitcoin. But everybody who was in Jasmine early, like now, like back when Jasmine was there was a time when Jasmine was at around 38, 30 something percent of a penny, 40, 50%. And people was loading up their Jasmines. So everybody who loaded in during that time, they're still in. You guys are still in the green. So you guys really don't have nothing to worry about. But the people who missed out on the original Jasmine run, hey, this is like a second chance, man. This Onyx, Spell, and especially Swift. I'm like Swift that's my most bullish play is Swift. But yeah, definitely need to go ahead and pick up a bag of this. This is definitely going to be heading up there. Um, but yeah, guys, that is my take on Onyx Coin. Um, um, Tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, support the channel, get the channel membership, or Cash App and PayPal will be in the description. Like I said, guys, I'm definitely going to be covering this coin more, just like I do with with Swift, Swift and Jasmine, and Spell. But yeah, these are going to be my top three coins that I'm going to be covering in the bull run. Swift, Onyx, and Spell. So yeah, guys, I thought I'd share this. Uh, this is, like I said, this is going to be one of those plays that you don't want to miss out. This is opportunity right here. I can see this by 2025, even by the going towards the end of 2024. This can be at least at about 5 cents. I can see this hitting 5 cents by going into fall. Like I said, summertime between the months of May and like September, a lot of these cryptos are going to be going parabolic. 2025 is going to be icing on the cake. Like I said, we all know by 2025, a lot of us is going to be selling our bags and taking our life changing gains. But anyways, thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Let's go Onyx. And hey, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.